Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into one of the more common issues you might stumble across while running your WordPress site, the 400 bad request error. This error pops up when the server can't understand the request that your browser is sending, which can happen for a variety of reasons. If you are seeing a 400 bad request message, here are a few of the most common causes and why they matter. First, take a look at your URL. A simple typo or unwanted character like an extra space or a misplaced symbol can result in a mail from URL that the server rejects. Double check for any errors and try reloading the page. Next, don't forget about browser cache and cookies. Outdated or corrupted browsers data is often the culprit behind this error. Clearing your cache and cookies may fix the problem quickly. It might sound too simple, but is one of the first steps we recommend. Another scenario involves large file uploads. If you try to upload media that exceeds your server size limit, you might trigger a 400 error. Make sure you are aware of your hosting provider's upload threshold and adjusting accordingly, or compress your files. Plugins and themes can also be at fault. We've seen new or updated plugins or even freshly installed themes can cause conflict that lead to this error. If your 400 error starts right after you added or update something, try deactivating it to see if that resolves the issues. Lastly, there are potential server-side issues. Things like corrupted htaccess file or misconfigured server setting can also provoke a bad request error. Resetting or restoring your htaccess file or checking with your web host could be the key to solving the problem. So next time you spot the 400 bad request error on your WordPress site, don't panic. Check for typos in your URL, clear your cache and cookies, review any recent changes, keep file size in check, and consider potential server-side configurations. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to a quick fix.